Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for your continued support. Today we are in Mayday Bottom Road and we're here to speak with Miss Martin, and we'll do that in a little while. Please remember to like, to share, to subscribe, so once we post a new video you will be notified. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright. Miss Martin, the dog no bad?
No, baby.
Oh,
Yeah, but
they not go trouble me.
protect you.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then
here.
oh,
They come and don't bark or
how are you?
well, give God thanks. I am not too bad.
Yes,
Not
yes.
in best of health, but still moving around.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, still moving around.
Okay.
Lot of pain in the body, but still have to help myself.
All right. So, all right. So you would have called us, with some issues and some assistance that you would need.
Yes, my
So,
dear.
first let me ask you, what is your name?
My name is Mirel Martin, known as Janet.
Okay, okay. So
Yes,
what do I call you, Miss Janet?
yes,
All right,
yes,
Miss Janet.
yes, yes.
Okay. So talk to us now about, why you would have called us.
Yes, really, I go and watch your channel where I see you do so many good to people who can't help themselves. So I just decided my mind to call and ask if I could drop in the assistant of getting a little help.
Okay, okay.
Yes, because the help that I really need. My little room board structure here is almost, I would say all the plies are rotting out. When the rain fall, oh my God, I don't know how to explain that. I have to sit on my bedside.
So the roof is leaking.
Leaking, the roof is leaking. When we get the rain from the southeast, it come right in, run straight down to my room.
Okay, okay.
So I decided to call and ask if I could get a little help.
Okay.
Whatever it may be, I would give God thanks and I will more than appreciate it, whatever
Okay.
help
So
I
talk
get.
to us about no, the challenges. What are the challenges that you really have, why you would be unable to do that for
Yes,
yourself?
the challenge I have for myself, I had a health problem.
You have a health issue.
Yes, issue with high blood pressure. Sometimes my pressure goes up to 280. I have to take 15 medication for the day.
Oh, wow.
Yes, 9 out of 1, 2 out of 1, 2 out of 1, 2 out of 1. Yes,
So
15 for the
how
days.
long have you had this
Well,
issue?
I have the issue around 3 years now.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes when I go to the doctor, they say it's a little bit going down. The next time I'm here, I just find myself spinning around. And I go back there and say totally over high.
Okay.
But to honest with you to God, the last time I go doctor at the clinic and then check it, it was 285. And I spent the night at the emergency room. Well, from there, I'm on the 15
The
mixed pressure
medication.
pill, yeah.
And those you have to take every
Every day,
day.
every day. And right now, if I bend right now, I have to hold my toe knee and go right down.
Why?
Because I say I
Why?
have arthritis in my, from my waist go right down.
Oh, so you're feeling pain in the
Pain
joint.
right through. Right now, I stand up, I feel lean. Yeah, I can't do anything for myself.
Okay,
Fully.
okay. Okay, so what do you do for a living? Are you able to work?
I used to the days work to wash. But because of the health problem right now, I have to stop.
Okay, okay.
Stop,
So
stop,
how do
stop.
you manage on a day-to-day basis now that you're
Well,
not working
to be honest
anymore?
to you, speaking the truth, God love the truth. Sometimes, my two last kids, their family in the state, sometimes, not every time, they might send $100 or $50 and I stretch wherever it can reach. And I have a little friend, not fully friend, I just pass by and we call to me and he might give me a $5,000 so me
Oh,
stretch it
yes. Okay, so
and help
outside of
myself.
that, you don't have anything, any other source because you're
No,
not able to work.
no.
Okay. How many children do you have?
I have 6 children, 5 boys and 1 girl.
Okay. How
But
many of them living with you?
well, normally, I have to be honest with you, it's only my small son that going to Christiana High now.
How old
He's
is he?
13.
Oh, he's the one that's living with
Yeah,
you.
right at the moment.
Okay.
At the moment, me and him live. But he
Okay.
struggle to me if I send him to school. It costs for the week 7,500 for the week for him to go to school. And trust me.
That's lunch and fare.
Yeah. Sometimes if he go to school, I don't cook.
Oh.
No. Just to save the lunch money if he go any fare.
Oh, you just don't
I
buy
just
anything to
no.
eat.
Just whatever me and him we just eat it and make ourselves comfortable.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
I don't
So,
have a personal help.
yeah. So the other children are grown? Are they adults or?
They are adults because
Okay. So are they able to assist?
one of my son live in St. Elizabeth. When he has it, to be honest with you, he helped me a lot. But now he's unable to do so because I don't know what's wrong with him. His foot them just a swell.
Oh, he's sick.
Yeah, swell, swell,
Oh.
swell.
Oh.
So
Okay.
I don't want no other fully help.
And so that is why you would have called us now
Yes,
for
yes,
assistance
yes,
to help with the
assistant.
house.
Yes.
All right. So you want to show us, you know, what it looks like
Yeah,
and so
let me show
on?
you outside first, right
Okay.
here. It really hard on me, really,
Yeah.
really hard. You see here, that's why we tie the zinc here because it the pliers rotten out. So it
Okay.
cannot nail, so we have to tie it. See? The gentleman tie it up. So whenever time the rain fall now at this section, I don't know if I hear the water come through. I may say the whole of here so rotten out, rotting out, bad, bad, bad.
Okay.
And here's the best part of the house.
Oh.
Right here, as I can show you right here. I'm not ashamed to say, look at it, you see it? These are the main board. The
Also the
main pier,
plies.
yeah, you see it?
Okay, okay.
Rotten out, rotten out. Right around, she must nail up his zinc around.
Yes.
I'm nail them myself.
Oh, you nail them yourself?
Yeah, I'm nail them myself because
Oh.
try and help myself whatever I can do.
Yes.
And this is his son, my little son, who me totally need the help. You can come.
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting for you to come.
Right.
Yes, this is the way me really want the help for him. Can you see
Oh.
around too? Me nearly Solitex around. The rat them dig out behind the Solitex. So we don't have a firm structure right now. If any, me pray to God for you storm not come the other day.
Yes.
Cause me don't know me to manage.
Because the
Oh
house won't
God,
be able to withstand it.
I tell you, God is God.
Okay.
He will turn it back.
Oh.
You see
So
here,
for
so
the
here's a leak.
oh right
That's why we
here.
have to cut out here, so. And him
Oh,
and my son,
cut it and patch it.
yeah,
The 13-year-old?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
And him fix up it. I
Oh.
feel him live around here, so. It not full 100, but we have to give God
Yes,
thanks.
yes,
We are
yes.
not outside. Yeah.
Okay, so if it should rain now,
Yes.
you'd have to set
Yes,
buckets
and
and
if me going anywhere now and me not set the pan we catch the water, me have to immediately turn back or wet until me come.
oh, so it wet over on the bed
Yes,
too?
yes, and I go this direction and show you now.
Okay.
Here so now when the rain fall from that side, here so run, it come down here so. See the leakage here.
Okay.
So me have to bore here so. And set one bucket right here. Let me show you
Oh.
the video there with the two on the water. Right here so me catch it. I did have a closed closet right here. I never know that when the rain fall and the water run, it go on the bottom. If you take it out, it rotten out, the bottom rotten out clean, clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to throw it out, so you close them up.
Oh, okay,
And put the
okay.
bed in with the bag.
So you lost all of that.
Yeah, me never know. Several when I run the water that go on the bottom.
Yes,
And it
yes.
rotten off the foot of them. So this now was in my room. So you look away so skanky, me
Yes.
take it out.
Okay, okay. Understand.
God is so good to me.
Yes.
All the rain that day, me have to get up and drop water. Dry, dry, dry.
Yeah. So you're happier when the time is
Yes,
dry.
right.
Yeah.
Although the water when the rainfall is finished.
Because you use those
Yes,
blue drums around
yeah,
there.
yeah.
So when you run out of water, where do you get water from?
Me go next door.
Oh, a
water.
neighbor.
Yeah, neighbor.
Okay, okay.
But I just want a little help for the house entirely.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Touch, as me say, and then able to help myself.
Mm-hmm.
Cause right now, somebody give me one piece of stove and use so when I use and the whole thing right now.
A
With,
stove, you said?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if any me could get little help for make up and buy one little two burner one or a second hand use one.
Yes.
Cause
Okay.
when me buy the gas done so fast because the stove
Mm-hmm. Oh, the stove not good, so it
not
blow out the gas
gas
quickly.
fast quickly.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I just need a little help from
Okay.
whosoever willing to help me. I will more than appreciate it and grateful for
Mm-hmm.
whatever little help
Yes.
I can receive.
All right.
Yes.
So down there is another room
Yeah,
that.
that's where I am on. I am in room.
Okay.
So let me show you where I was telling that leaking.
Okay, okay.
Maybe it's just a nail hole. You
Oh,
see it?
so down here don't leak so bad.
No, no. So
Oh,
if you set the bath right here
mm-hmm.
when the rain was falling the other day.
Okay.
And where you see the lips are brown solitex over there,
Mm-hmm.
that back section are rotten out.
Oh,
Because where the water fall, that section,
yes.
it beat and it ply.
Mm-hmm.
So somebody were telling me to sand dash it.
Okay.
And me say whenever time the water catch it don't soak and it ply.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that's really
Okay.
my issue to have at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just praying to God I don't have another issue because I cannot help myself in
Yes.
no side.
Mm-hmm.
When me tell you say the 40 leg bite me,
Mm-hmm.
I right here so me lie down,
Yes.
and my grandbaby over there.
Yeah.
And be time something biting on my bottom and me jump off of the bed.
Mm-hmm.
It's biting on my leg again.
Oh my God.
Yes. And swell up my bottom.
Oh no.
I first me ever cry when something bite me.
Mm-hmm.
Me have to take off me sleep and call my son and say, Delano, run come here.
Mm-hmm.
Something bite me that hurt me. It just really that soak in my body like that. Like when I
Yeah.
get cocaine,
Yeah.
I saw this thing, I
Or
soak,
making your body like numb like.
numb.
Mm-hmm.
And say around 2 weeks after, me rub my hand on this section and me find it strip off.
Oh
I
Lord.
strip off, I go away, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And I want ointment, me have to buy
Oh,
ring room
you never
ointment.
got any medical attention?
No, but
Oh,
somebody said me should have got doctor.
yes.
Yeah, I want ointment me buy and rub it until it
Yes.
get better.
Oh, so it better now.
Yeah, but
Okay, thanks be to God
oh
for that.
God,
I always hear
me
say
go
when
try
that bites
hard,
you is
hard.
something else. I don't know, probably rumors. I'm scared at the party leg.
Yes, bite me man, me not ashamed to say,
Yes.
rat would have kill me.
Oh my God. Because of the openings and the plyboard on the bottom. So are we able to see around the back or?
Yes. Rat take over me whole place that came in, then cause they have how much up in place to come through.
Yes.
Yes, come with me, please. Yes, so that are the issue we have right at the moment, my dear.
Mm-hmm.
So I would very, very thankful
Yes.
any little help me get. Here, so now, we are right now, sit here. I want gentleman come here and me ask him to nail them here for me. You see it?
Oh, okay.
Ma.
Mm-hmm.
And in I mean nail this piece.
Yes.
And that piece there the rotten out and I could have sit into the bathroom
Mm-hmm.
and he nailed that piece of board. The zinc there for back off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this piece I nail it.
Okay,
So
okay.
I did plan for nail up these two pieces over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. But we never get fit to it.
Okay. So I can see why the water going on the rats because even though you nail them, they're not so good. They
So good,
look like
yes.
they
Yes, and through the plier right now, no, me the one this we nail down lower. Like this way.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently two years so soft.
Mm-hmm.
You now go hold it, so you must if you just lean up in there.
Oh yeah, to back out the
Yes.
water. You
Yeah.
can nail? Oh, okay.
Must say through the plier right in it's soft.
Mm-hmm.
Put it all on.
Okay. The land here belongs to you?
My mother and father.
Okay, you inherited
Yes,
from
yes,
them.
yeah.
Okay, they're deceased?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Both are
okay.
deceased now.
Mm-hmm.
To the entire Jamaica and the entire world, my name is Miriam Martin, otherwise known as Janet. Yes, if you see me, you might know me Many people might know me when they see the video.
Yes.
So I'm just asking for a little assistant. Whosoever will, God will bless them and bless those who don't have.
Mm-hmm.
So just bless everyone.
Yes.
I just need a little assistant to repair my little room. As
Mm-hmm.
you can see it. And whatever I get, I will give thanks.
Mm-hmm.
And I need a little stove, whatever it may be.
Mm-hmm.
If it is not new, whatever,
Yes.
I will really, really, really appreciate it.
Okay.
Not looking for big.
Mm-hmm.
So when you say one cocoa full basket in
Mm-hmm.
our long time Mother's Days.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Absolutely.
whosoever will, I really, really appreciate it again, as I said.
All right.
So thanks to everyone who will see this video and assist. And as I said, to those who don't have,
Mm-hmm.
one love to everyone. God bless
Okay.
you all.
All
And thanks
right.
for Miss Michelle
Mm-hmm.
to come so far. And your second, that's your husband.
Yes.
Thanks to everyone. I'm so, so happy.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me, I don't know how to explain. As I said, I do my video by myself and send it to you to just to know how I
Yeah.
really, really need
Yeah.
the help.
Mm-hmm.
Because I
Mm-hmm.
say I don't have a help.
Yeah.
I have a right hand, but I don't have a second
Yeah.
to help. So
Okay.
whatever you can do, you guys can do for me,
Mm-hmm.
do it with a willing heart.
All
Your
right.
blessing is out there.
All right, Miss Janet. Well
And
said.
yes,
Okay. All right, guys. So you heard her plea, and you would have seen, and we, on behalf of her, is also asking you that if you're in a position and you're able to help, please do. And I want to use this opportunity as well to say thank you to a lot of our donors who, at times, you've been sending us funds to help those who are less fortunate. And we want to say a special, special thank you from the bottom of our hearts. All right. So again, if you're in a position and able to help Miss Janet somehow, even with a second-hand stove, if you have a second-hand stove and you are able to, help her by giving it to her, we will be thankful as well. Right, Miss Janet?
yes, so true.
All right. So with that said, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
God bless you all.
All
Thanks
right.
very much for coming.
Most welcome. Catch Marcella pick up plum. Wash them and peel them.